Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a crucial accessory for many label printer users, the ABLEGRID AC-DC adapter, specifically designed for the OKI SATO CG4 series, including models like the CG412DT, CG412TT, CG412DT IEE1284, and CG412DT LAN. If you own one of these direct thermal transfer barcode label printers, you know how vital a reliable power supply is to keep your operations running smoothly. This particular adapter is an ABLEGRID brand replacement product, and what immediately stands out is the assurance that these are tested units, confirmed to be in great working condition. That's a significant peace of mind when you're looking for a replacement or a spare. One crucial piece of advice, which the manufacturer also emphasizes, is to always double-check your specific printer model against the listing before making a purchase. This ensures perfect compatibility and avoids any hassle down the line. One of the most impressive features of this ABLEGRID adapter is its worldwide input voltage capability. It supports 10240 VAC at 5060 Hz, making it incredibly versatile for use in various regions without needing a voltage converter. This is a huge plus for businesses with international operations or individuals who might travel with their equipment. The power source is corded electric, and it features a standard 2-pin main power connector designed for a straightforward wall mount setup, keeping your workspace tidy. Beyond just providing power, ABLEGRID has integrated robust safety features into this adapter. It comes equipped with OVP, OCP, and SCP protection. For those unfamiliar, OVP stands for Over Voltage Output Protection, OCP for Over Current Output Protection, and SCP for Short Circuit Output Protection. These layers of safeguarding are essential. They protect not only the adapter itself, but more importantly, your valuable OKI SATO label printer from potential electrical damage, ensuring its longevity and consistent performance. In essence, the ABLEGRID AC-DC adapter presents itself as a dependable and well-engineered power solution for the specified OKI SATO CG4 series printers. Its focus on compatibility, tested reliability, global usability, and comprehensive safety features makes it a strong contender for anyone needing a replacement or secondary power supply. It's designed to keep your label printing tasks uninterrupted and secure.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.